Hey guys, Undercover Truck Bed Covers, and we're here at Easter Jeep Safari 2016, the 50th anniversary. I want to show you how quick and easy it is to install our NightHawk light brow. We're here at Dakota Customs booth, and we're going to put this firecracker red light brow on their JK. I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is. First off, we're going to take the factory weather strip seal off. Now it's okay if there's a little residue left over, no big deal. Our 3M is going to go on the bottom side of it. Take a flathead screwdriver, take the factory side clips off. Okay, so we're going to take our alcohol pad. Just wipe down a little bit where the 3M strips are going to go. Air dry for a second. We're going to take our 3M adhesive coatings off. Now a little trick before you do the mounting, tear off just about a fourth of the 3M protective itself, just so we have it whenever we adhese it here on the front side. We're going to line up the clips. Put my factory pin back in. Make sure everything's lined up good. Color match is clean. Now just kind of like painter's tape. What I'm going to do, peel back the 3M off the top. Give it a nice seal. That's all she wrote. Easy as that. Close it back up. Make sure we get some good adhesion on the slots. Installed. Gives a whole new dimension, attitude to the front of the Jeep. It's a great piece for front end styling. As you can see, the factory paint match is right on. If you guys have any other questions for us, visit undercoverinfo.com. Check us out, the new NightHawk light brow. Yeah, so Kyle, what the initial thoughts on the NightHawk light brow? What do you think?
I think it looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Got nice form and fit. No, the color match is amazing. Looks just like Firecracker Red. It gives the Jeep just a more aggressive appearance. It's a more sporty look. And I think it makes the whole truck really makes it look good.